Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you really quickly how you can set Google as your default page and search engine here on the home screen of your Firefox web browser. It is super simple guys, so let me show you really quickly how it's done. Launch the Mozilla Firefox web browser on your computer, click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select settings from that drop down menu. And next guys, head over to this section of your account settings, search, and simply set Google as your default search engine here. You can also switch to another search engine like Bing, for example, or DuckDuckGo. Now for demonstration purposes, I will leave it at Google. That's the first option. And the second option, guys, would be to head over to the home screen section of your settings here to the left and to set google.com, for example, as your home screen or new Windows page here. You can do that by clicking on that drop down menu here to the right and by selecting custom URL from that drop down menu and simply enter google.com as your custom URL. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.